Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here we can see first of all we solve the round bracket exponent. So write the same square bracket open 3 plus 2 and round bracket 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Okay, now 2 multiplied 2 is 4 and then 2 exponent. Okay, and now then we solve the round of condition in Bodmas. Okay, of condition in Bodmas. So now 3 plus 2 multiplied 4 is 8. Okay, and now 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.